iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Nedbank Cup, Mamelodi Sundowns defeating and eliminating Richards Bay as expected. Easy peasy. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yes,
sir.
Ngibulise justice.
Easy.
With die hard. Benedict Sovila.
So.
Yeah. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Are you aware ukuthi Richards Bay ku top 8 mfethu? Top 5 or top 8?
Top 3.
Top 5. Top 8 futhi ngathi ngiyayi stretch. Top 3. Ile namhlanje ngathi training session. Mase sikhuluma nje iqiniso eliphelele. Sundowns kubalekile to all the team before going to the game. On a serious showcase note, balekile ukusign according to philosophy. All the teams are 15. Ngaphandle kwa Sundowns DStv Premiership. We can point at kusikhuluminte ukuthi mhlambe this team truly speaking, yes, they've got a team. Actually, coach that has laid the foundation there currently, but credit to the coach that has taken over. Has not changed anything. If it was another coach, because Malama player allow and sign other players, and then not slide in. So credit keep these players to rule him. Going to this game, Ngulego, it was a passing game. Bengbugeli passing drill, mean. First half, it's in first half, this team, it's a team that I'm a midfield 3 with defensive midfield. Around me in the country since even before. I think it's if we count how many passes, especially forward from DStv Premiership, Sundowns, I'm sure could have win.
Yeah. That's a great element of them, because I think besides the Sundowns, it's Ibonagale because only teams are PSL the forward passing. All of these teams are terrified to pass the ball forward. And today, and in many other matches, we saw that forward pass.
And forward pass, if you need good first touch, you need to receive. Before receive, awareness. You need to know what to ban behind before you lose. Shy pocket, that's why it's very easy for them to score. He has option for first half. First half, Richards Bay, they were staying here finale. They got one chance. Whereby Mbulu pass the ball, whereby team I think they were outnumbered. Azanga iboni team kanjani wathi pass phakathi assisting. Baltata they move kwaba 3v2. Good run from this guy. Lo created this penalty. A pushy ball over eloquent walanda wamfoul onyawo beyanga choice cause makamdlulu ngofika eqala credit to the boy ukuthi afike eqala and nokuthi away le ball kahle, but none other than that they did nothing. Truly speaking, first half Shalule if was taking a big impede first half. Shalule credit to Umrene has improved. Nkuleko labantu laba they playing ibhola njengoba ngitshela i-option yase-side option yokugcina. If Ngobeni was making right decision, I'm sure this team first half could have scored maybe even a 3 or even only 2-1. You understand? Wrong decision from him. Shadley and I, you can see his rust. Yes, he scored 2 goals, but first half he should have scored more. Kunala bampasa team shifty the way pipe no goalkeeper. Allow goalkeeper we are it's a goal. But credit to him, he scored 2 goals. Elinye futhi bampasa ilapayana have extra charge if awukho ready ukuthi angalishaya a missed target 6 area. It's unfortunately yenzekile angese change, but essentially ukuthi it's very easy ukuthi create a chance because of forward passes. First half angazi bashaya ngakama forward. It was ayidlalo side. First half they were playing backwards. Malifika kumkhulisi it doesn't go sideways, it go forward. Uzomthola Mbule and then into cross run. I think they confused this team first half. I think they did that move off the ball, cross run. Igcina ngasazi Richards Bay babuya back baba baning more than Sundowns, but Sundowns not banning because of a cross run, no move off the ball. First half njoba ngisho Sundowns should have won the game first half for me if Shaluli was clinical. The team in Zanganes first half they got a penalty, did well, that's all. Second half, you know why bebanga second bebanga nchipole. When I watch Nchipola, let's keep good technique. Abachita they very fluid. Abachita Sundowns technical they are good fluid. Passing game, movement of the ball, something else. I can't say much ku Richards Bay second half. Yes, but they got a goal. Into bayenzile ukuthola goal penalty. Nakhona mistake eSundowns second half bebanqintsha ibhola bangalibambi. Bebangafika epalini no shot on target okanye mhlambe ne corner kick I don't think they had. Ngisho second half. Serious babanqintsha ibhola. Themangeni uandile ile nto beyishota kule game le bebadlane Pirates. Linka is not scared to call for the ball umkhulisa some support. And then Mbuli starts. Le Mbuli star. So nkululeko le game obvious. Ngimzwile not only to wish ukuthi le game le
competitive. Make it competitive. If we come here for 2 hours every match, and even fans as well, people travel. Make it competitive. Even people that are watching at home, if you're a club, make it competitive. Make it watchable. There's fans. So if football it's got an ecosystem. Lapho khona kunabantu abadlala 11v11. That's fine. But then the people that pay for the football to be there are the people who are watching on TV for the TV product. Make it competitive for us. Sicela ukuthi sibuke le drama le. Show us the drama. Invite us to come and watch the drama. That's not Sundowns' problem. Sundowns did what they needed to do. We are asking these teams, make it competitive. Nina, make it sibize ukuthi sizonibuka.
Unfortunately, it's not going to happen.
Yeah, I agree with
you. The standard of even if you can hope it's not going to happen.
Yeah, unfortunately.
I mean, truly speaking, mau check quality Richards Bay. Bazami the first 5 minutes but baldala. The quality is not enough. You can't lay out from the goalkeeper. Yambono onyanga ka kutenya wenu nezandla is strong, but they emphasize he must play. He doesn't kick the ball just. He plays at the back. And then Williams obvious onyango if uzobona hleli ngaphandle bona Williams aba half of a center. Makangena mele apply lonto ngoba uzurulano number 12 uRonin Williams or onyango. He start the play at the back. Sweeper. He's no longer a goalkeeper, he's a sweeper. And then he moves eqalile. Uchale makangena bekalinka. He doesn't often lose the ball. He doesn't often lose the ball. Bam supporter and uche kumbule. You only to banike dimension is more skillful. Sundowns is skillful player, not much. Bonke bamovi ball, but that is a team. Yonke team is good, not individual, but when he comes in, he bring another dimension. Bega the African so ngulego I'm sorry mfethu. The team I wish all these teams they can sign players according to proper recruitment. It's very important to this team. Agmelang sign nje. We understand the best of the Sundowns. We're hoping we're gonna win. You will never win. The recruitment it was a problem. Nenye Tomelule foundation. Before as a coach you can bring another lay a strong foundation whereby is sustainable. Sundowns when you check look at the team you don't credit to the guy Bafit. Zungu was very comfortable in Fitch. Namhlanje Zungu, we began the Sundowns, like he was a link. Defense, Begal collective pola. He never lost the ball good game. And then not tackle playing. Opposition if he's not on playing backwards support again so equality abanayo equality Zungu you could see with the guy's quality and Nomkulisi it doesn't play regularly but today become compliment to Zungu knowing ukuthi Zungu can run maybe nepola too much makalphethi bhola mele ngimsupport lo mfana lo ke umbula bring another dimension more skillful carry ball is most ulethinta abanganayo is clever ubona izinto abanye bangaziboni ama player nje South Africa I wish take that's why ngithi ukusayina according to philosophy yakho kubalekile kapinga the way bekaphithizela ngakhona kula pocket bekaba confused udlala false 9 ukapinga behind sort of false 9 ngoba ulo bekadlala ka left kanqane Shalile when he draft this side occupy the space and sometimes uyasuka lapha occupy Shalile confuse opponent and lo muntu akadlali enethenga ukuthi uthola I mean sorry we need to be honest. We're watching sort of a training. Because second half training. It's a training. Second half, defender. Look at the players that they come from the bench. Kutumela is supposed to score. Just that Ungobeni is sometimes let the team down. Decision making. You don't have to good boy especially with Sundowns. You need to cross. Agobama team agnama option. Lapho kunomkhulisi whoever in the middle that will support you. You need just abe compose. Cause uyabona le floor. Kuzoba nesikhathi bamkhipha yokora. And he can't stay line in. Uyambona umrena. Lot of improvement for him. Ipola malingale kan F2 uba he become a last man. Phambi kwepali. That's why abani choice ukuthi ngiya cross la square pass or I score. He may stay on the line, so izinto kumele azilene, but none other than that, a team is something else, bro. Yeah.
There you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns defeating Richards Bay in the Nedbank Cup. Sundowns looking to defend the Nedbank Cup. We shall see. I mean, it's the first game of the Nedbank Cup, and we kind of suspecting we know already who's going to win it. Sundowns won it last season. They were comfortable today with their second string team. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.